Hello and welcome! Today we're going to build your practical guide to the world of AI assistants. Feeling a little lost in the jungle of all these AI tools? Don't worry, we've got the map. Let's jump right in. Yeah, it's a feeling we all know, right? It seems like a new AI tool drops every single week, and they all promise to change everything. Well, we're going to cut right through all that noise and give you a simple, clear map to find your way. And yeah, we're going to do it fast. All right, so every good journey starts with a map. Before we meet our AI guides, we've got to get our bearings and lock down a few key concepts. This is the foundation for, well, everything else we're about to talk about. First up, the big one, artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, this is a huge field, but for our purposes today, just think of it as machines that can simulate human-like intelligence. And while that covers a lot of ground, what we're really focusing on is generative AI. That's the type that can actually create brand new things like text, images, and even computer code. So what's the engine running under the hood of this generative AI? Well, that would be a large language model, or LLM for short. This is pretty much the brain of the whole operation. It's been trained on a truly staggering amount of text from all over, which lets it understand and generate language that sounds incredibly human. It can do all kinds of things, from writing your emails to coding an entire app. Okay, so we've got our map, we know the basics. It's time to meet our guides. Now, I want you to stop thinking about these AI platforms as competitors. Instead, think of them as your personal team of specialists, and you can call on each one for their own unique talent. First up is the one you almost certainly know, ChatGPT from OpenAI. This is the versatile all-rounder on your team. It's like the Swiss Army knife that can handle a massive range of different jobs. Its biggest strength is just pure versatility. As you can see here, ChatGPT is fantastic at reasoning, at business writing, and it's especially good at coding and finding bugs. It can even understand what's in an image and connect to other tools. So bottom line, if you need a powerful generalist for automation or just brainstorming ideas, this is your go-to. Next on the team is Claude, from a company called Anthropic. So if ChatGPT is the all-rounder, Claude is the specialist. And its specialty? It's the undisputed master of documents. Its unique talent is being able to process enormous amounts of text with incredible precision. And let me tell you, that's a real superpower. Claude can digest incredibly long documents. I mean, we're talking hundreds of pages all at once. This makes it absolutely perfect for analyzing a dense legal contract, reviewing an entire company policy manual, or just summarizing a massive report you don't have time to read. When you need to do a deep dive, Claude is your expert. Our third guide is Gemini from Google. You should think of Gemini as the productivity expert on the team. It's the one that's already wired into the tools you probably use every single day. Gemini's secret weapon is its deep integration with the whole Google ecosystem. So that means it can help you draft replies right inside Gmail, organize data in Sheets, or create presentations and slides, all without you ever having to leave what you're doing. If you live inside Google Workspace, Gemini is your ultimate productivity partner, no question. Okay, let's pull it all together and look at them side by side. This table gives you a really quick comparison. You can see our main three, plus a couple of others like Qwen and Zipu AI, which are really powerful, especially in bilingual and Chinese language situations. But the key takeaway is right there in the ratings. Notice how Claude is the absolute champion of long context, while ChatGPT really shines in general use and coding. This is your cheat sheet for picking the right tool for the job. So, you've met the team, but how do you actually talk to them to get what you want? This is where we learn the language of AI. It's a skill called prompt engineering, and it is the key to unlocking their real power. Now, this might be the single most important thing you'll learn today. On the left, you see a lazy prompt, just write report. The results you'll get from that is just generic mush. It's useless. But look at the right, a structured prompt that gives specific details. The difference in the quality of the output you'll get back is, believe me, it's night and day. And this all boils down to a simple framework you can use every single time. It's a 5-step recipe. First, give the AI a role. Act as an expert business consultant. Second, provide context. Our company is a small business in Malaysia. Third, state the task. Create an AI adoption roadmap for us. Fourth, specify the format. Present the roadmap in a table. And fifth, add constraints. Keep the total budget under 100,000 ringgit. Just follow these 5 steps and your results will improve dramatically, I promise. Okay, you've met the guides, you've learned the language, so where can this journey actually take you? Let's look at the destination. the real-world wins you can achieve with your new AI team. The applications in business are just massive. Think about it. HR can filter hundreds of resumes in seconds. Legal can review contracts for potential risks almost instantly. Marketing can brainstorm entire campaigns. Sales can automate all those follow-up emails. You can even build a personal AI tutor for new hires or a powerful coding assistant for your developers. The potential is truly limitless. So, there you have it. The map is in your hands. Your team of AI guides is assembled and waiting for you. The only question left is the most exciting one of all. What will you build first? Thanks for tuning in.